In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email signature in Salesforce. By the end, you'll have a professional signature that automatically appears when you send emails from Salesforce, so your messages look polished and consistent. First, head to the top right corner of your Salesforce screen and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu where you'll choose Settings. If you don't immediately see it, don't worry. Just look for the option labeled Settings and select it to open your personal settings area. Once you're in Settings, focus on the left-hand pane. There's a search box there that makes finding things quick. Type My Email Settings into that search field, and then click the My Email Settings option that appears. This takes you directly to the section that controls how your emails behave when you send them from Salesforce. On this page, you'll see a text box dedicated to your email signature. This is the place where your signature lives. Click inside the box to activate it and start typing the signature you want to use. Keep it clean and clear. Most people include essentials like their name, job title, company name, and a standard sign-off. If your organization has specific guidelines for branding or legal disclaimers, follow those here. Keep in mind that simple, well-structured text is easiest for recipients to read across different devices and email clients. As you compose, aim for a tidy layout. Use line breaks to separate your name, title, and contact details, and avoid pasting images or complex designs unless you're sure your organization supports them. If basic formatting is available in your setup, use it sparingly to maintain readability. Also, avoid including any sensitive information. Stick to what's necessary and professional. When you're happy with how it looks, that's it. You've added your email signature. From now on, when you compose an email in Salesforce, your signature will be ready to go, saving you time and helping ensure every message represents you and your organization consistently. To recap the flow, open your profile menu and choose Settings. Search for My Email Settings in the left pane. Find the email signature text box, click inside it, and add your signature. And there you go. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, keep building those small, effective habits in Salesforce that make your day-to-day easier and your communication more professional.